have another absolutely free craft for you guys. I'm going to show you. All you have to do is when you have these maps, most of us already have them. You have them, make it into some art. So all you have to do is cut it, put it in a tray. I just kind of arranged this so that you guys can see. You can glue it down or you can just tape it down, or in this case I didn't even tape it down. So when you have your place settings for this holiday, like everything I'm doing is really for place settings and for the holiday, all you have to do is use these maps. You can make a little game out of it for the kids, like they can look for certain locations or certain streets. So it's an easy way of doing something fun for the holidays, and it's absolutely free. So that's the whole theme of these videos. Let me just show you a little bit better. So all I did was put it inside of a tray. And you can also, if you want to make it permanent, put something on top of it that's waterproof so that it can seal it. But I didn't even tape it down. I left it loose so that you guys can see how if you don't want to waste too much time, you can just leave it like this, put it on a tray, play a game, then remove it if it stains. It's such an easy craft. And again, like I said, it's absolutely free. Another absolutely free craft is taking these black poster board and tearing them up, ripping them up, or, you know, cutting them up, writing people's names on it. So you see how that can work as a little decoration also for the holidays. So these are absolutely free crafts, and I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.